Hey lovers, welcome back to my channel. If it's a very first time here, my name is Robina, and if you're a returning subscriber, a regular day one supporter, thank you so much for tuning in once again. Thank you so much. So in today's video guys, as you've already seen by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing this soft glam look that you see right here with you on camera. So if you're interested guys, just keep on watching, but before you do that, make sure that you subscribe down below. Please subscribe so that you join the beautiful family already, and you can as well tap the notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I have new uploads. So yes, without further ado, let's get right into this makeup tutorial. Hey, what's up my loves, welcome back to the channel. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. So let's get into this video. I'm going to start by doing my eyebrows, and I'm going to start by powdering them down because my face is very oily. Using this Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder just to powder down so that my eyebrows are easy to work with. Yes, baby. I'm going to take this gel. It's the Label hair gel. So that's what I'm going to use and brush my eyebrows up like that. With my black opal eye pencil and start lining eyebrows. Next, I'm going to go ahead and conceal my eyebrows. I'm using this My Color concealer, and I'm using a flat brush to clean up the eyebrows. I'm going to take some good amount of that and start lining up, start cleaning. Go straight into my face, and first I'm going to prime. I'm going to prime my face with this Health Hydrating Face Primer. I'm going to put a good amount of that into my face. To use my hands and blend that into the skin. And next I'm going to apply my foundation, and for foundation I am mixing with two Maybelline Superstay foundations. One is in the shade Cappuccino and the other is in the shade Caramel. So I'm going to be using those two shades, and I'm going to use a slightly bright color inside my face, and then I'm going to use a slightly dark one just outwards my face area, like that. Forehead as well. Let's go in with my blending brush. I'm using the Real Techniques foundation brush. Ahead and start blending. Blended very well. I'm going to go in and conceal. I'm going to go in and highlight my face, and to highlight I'm using this Elegant Pro Concealer. This one is in the shade Pure Beige. I'm going to start on highlighting my under area. Using this brush to blend. Using a smaller brush to blend my nose concealer. After blending my concealer, I'm going to go and set it. I'm using this Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Before I go in with any powder, I want to first go back and make sure that I blend my concealer once again to avoid having any creases. going to go ahead with my contour palette. This is the Black Radius contour palette. I'm going to take this shade right in the middle. I'm going to start contouring my face. Going in with a smaller brush to contour my nose. To do my eyes next, priming with the same concealer that I used to highlight. This palette I'm going to use is this Revolution palette, and I'm going to be taking this brown color bronzer here for my transition color. I'm going to start by working that in my crease area. Again with concealer and put on the eyelid. I'm going to go in with this palette, and I'm going to take this nude color right there. I'm going to just pack that exactly where I put my concealer. I'm just packing the color right onto the concealer. Go ahead with this black liner and draw a wing. So I'm going to go back to the first shade that we used. I'm going to blend. I'm going to use this brown color to blend the eyeliner with this shade. go in with mascara. I'm going to put some blush. I'm going to mix this and this and this. I went off camera and put on my lashes. Now I'm going to go on and do my lips. What am I going to do for the lip? First, I'm going to line my lips with this brown eye gel. This brown gel. I'm going to top that liner with this NYX lip cream. It's a nude, it's in the shades Ambience. I'm going to put that right in the center of my lips. Then I'm going to go back and put some concealer on the center still. I'm going to take some gloss. Look, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me setting spray and spray it all over the face to set everything together, baby. So guys, this is my finished look. I love how this look came out. Really nice. I love everything about it. I'm in love with this look, guys. Tell me that you don't like it. Tell me. Anyway guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up, give me a like, girl, and subscribe as well if you have not yet already. Tap the notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload new videos. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.